continuing on the anatomy of the small intestines. So the bile and the pancreatic juice are both alkaline. The mixture of semi-solid digestive food and enzymes from the stomach is acidic and needs to be neutralized by addition of alkali before it continues on its way through the gut. Digestion continues in the jejunum, which is the second part of the small intestine, by peristalsis for several hours until it reaches the ileum, which is the last part of the small intestines. So, the ileum is the third part of the intestine, which is the last part, and it is where absorption of nutrients is completed, where more enzymes are added until the parts of the food that can be digested have been fully broken down into solid end products which can be absorbed. Right? So, yay, helium. The helium is highly adapted to absorb the digested food. The lining of the helium has a very large surface area, which means that it can quickly and efficiently absorb the soluble products of digestion into the blood. The length of the intestine helps to provide a large surface area, and this is aided by folds in its lining. But the greatest increase in area is due to tiny projection from the lining called villi. Right? The singular of villi is villus. Each villus is about 1 to 2 millimeter long, but there are millions of them, so that the area of the lining is thought to be about 300 meters square. This provides a massive area in contact with the digested food. As well as this, high-powered microscopy has revealed that the surface cells of each villus themselves have hundreds of minute projection called microvilli, which increase the surface area for absorption even more. Each villus contains a network of blood capillaries. Most of the digested food enters these blood vessels, but the products of lipid digestion as well as tiny lipid droplets enter a tube in the middle of the villus called a lacteal. The lacteals form parts of the body lymphatic system, which transports a liquid called lymph. The lymph eventually drains into the blood system. The blood vessels from the ileum join up to form a large blood vessel called the hepatic portal vein, which leads to the liver. The liver, we know, is the food processing center. It breaks down molecules and building up this and storing others. For example, glucose from carbohydrates digestion is converted into glycogen and stored in the liver. Later, the glycogen can be converted back into glucose when the body needs it. Yes, the digested food molecules are distributed around the body by the blood system. The soluble food molecules are absorbed from the blood into cells of tissues and are used to build new parts of cell, which is called assimilation. So thank you for watching Health Talk. See you